Look, it's my son. Even if it was not a Senzo Meyiwa issue and all that, I think I would be doing the same thing. This has got nothing to do with Senzo. And regarding the Senzo Meyiwa, I know that he did it. Because I know him. He's a thief, he's a druggie. But him shooting Senzo, whatever, is nonsense. Whatever people are saying about him, I know he won't do that. You understand? And if I was protecting him, why would I actually, this man was in the street. But if someone said my son shot, Longwe will never do that. He's not that kind of a character. He's never carried a gun in his entire life. The defense in the sense of especially the ones who accuse him of shooting, they are just psychopaths. They are mad. Okay, he's my son, but I'd rather see him in jail than to see him suffer in the streets, stealing from people, stealing from me, But one thing for sure, I don't care who says what. The Senzo Meyiwa, whatever they can do, they'll never find him guilty of that.
Mr. Twala, there are, information from the defense in the Senzo Meyiwa trial that your gun was taken for testing. Could you possibly shed light on that?
My gun?
Yes.
Yes, because it's normal practice. If my son was implicated, they said my gun was used. So the police have the right to take my firearm for ballistic test. It's a normal practice. So I wouldn't say no to the police if they want my firearm. I had to give them to make sure that it's cleared. There's no problems with my firearm. So some people said my firearm was stolen. My firearm was never stolen. I've had my firearm all my life. I've never reported my firearm stolen or it's all lies. People just started a story from Mansbury Rue. With Twitter and social media, you find haters. People will all say all different kind of things of people they don't like. And then now people will just grab the stories and just some people are even making money with this podcast and all that, just to attract people to join, to subscribe and all that. So that's what is happening.
Judging by the remarks that you just mentioned regarding the Senzo Meyiwa mega trial, do you think this has a stigma, or does this stigma affect your career? It
won't affect my career. If I'm here. I'm here with you guys. I'm not arrested. The police don't even. I would be arrested if there was a problem. It's only haters, people who don't like me, but I don't have a problem. God loves me, and there are people who love me out there. Those who hate me, hard luck. You understand? The Senzo Meyiwa thing, as we speak, I have a very good relationship with Senzo's mom. Yesterday I spoke to them. I spoke to Senzo's family all the time. And if Senzo's mom loves me and she accepts me as a son, who are they, those haters? I have a very good relationship with Senzo's mom. Even now when I live here, I'm going to talk to her.
Did you have a relationship before or after?
I have a very good relationship with Senzo. And hence I took a responsibility that it's not that because of my son or what. I have students that are not my kids, who are doctors, who are lawyers, that have assisted. So I always assist disadvantaged, especially young black people. So I don't actually see the problem if I have to assist Senzo's mom or anyone else. They're not the first. I help a lot of people. I'm not hiding it. My son is a thief. My son is a druggie. That I can confirm, and I won't hide it, because why must I hide the truth?
And of course, two of them are appearing today. It's not just one of them. And I understand this obviously is stressful, but how have you coped as a parent?
Well, it's not easy as a parent, because these are my kids and I love them. They know that I love them very much. Hence, I did everything I could to assist them. And me taking this action does not mean that I hate them. It's just that, especially the elder one, Longwe, I want him to learn a lesson. Because to me, it looks like it's one person who wants to learn the harder way.
Just tell me, what type of relationship did Zandi Khumalo have with an alleged druggie, or let me say a druggie as confirmed by the father? Now, he says that his son has been a druggie for over 18 years. And, when you calculate within this 18 years, it is the 18 years that Zandi Khumalo was in a relationship with Longwe Twala. Now you ask yourself, Zandi, what type of relationship? As well as Kelly Khumalo, these people were in a circle, they were in a circle together, they chilled together, chilling with Longwe Twala when his father has this to say about him. But anyway, hi everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Zimasa, for all those who do not know me. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for joining us on yet another video. And if it is your first time here, you're very much welcome on this platform. Please do kulul your bike and feel at home. Now, this is Chicco Twala, who is the father to Longwe Twala. Now, Longwe Twala's name has been mentioned a lot of times by the defense team in the Senzo Meyiwa case. Now, he is accused by the defense team to be the one who actually took Senzo Meyiwa's life on that night. Now, according to the defense team, the prosecution or the state is actually trying to cover up for Longwe Twala as well as the witnesses that were called. They do, it is alleged that Chicco Twala is the one who's actually running the case, so that his son does not go behind bars for the deletion of Senzo Meyiwa. Now, just tell me what you think or what you're picking up from the behavior or the character that Chicco Twala is painting, his son's behavior, what type of person he is. But, something that for me, it's a bit alarming. How does he know that his son has never carried a gun? But like any other parent, you will love your child and you wouldn't want your child to be involved in such things. To be honest, I do feel sorry for Utsilo Chicco Twala for, all that his son is putting him through. I don't think there's any parent who would like to hear or to see their child being involved in such shenanigans. But also, you can't really defend your child to say you know everything about your son, especially a person like Longwe Twala, a person who has Longwe Twala's character, and he does talk about his gun that was taken for evaluation or whatnot. He does say that he's not surprised that his gun was taken because his son has been accused, or there's been a noise about his son using his father's gun to actually take Senzo Meyiwa's life. Now, just tell me what you think with regards to this whole situation. Now, Chicco Twala, just not to forget, he was actually talking in court. He was appearing. Okay, his sons were appearing on a case that he has opened against them for actually stealing from him as the father. Now, he does say that it's not a nice thing that he's doing, but then he just wants the best for his kids. Now, just tell me what you think with regards to this, and thank you so much for watching and listening. I will see you on my next video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and share this video, and also do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for the support you have been showing to my channel.